Hello everyone, today I want to share with you the second video of this AutoCAD workshop. So if you haven't watched the AutoCAD Workshop Plugin video, I suggest you watch that AutoCAD Workshop, the basic operations, how to operate. In this and the second video, we will focus more on the format, incentive, and commission point. Actually, there are many ways to do format, incentive, and commission point. I'm just providing a sample here. Okay, you can follow this if you have no idea how to set the incentive for your salesman. You can use this plugin and this idea to set the commission for your salesman. Okay, so first, let me show how the system operates. Okay, first of this commission point. Actually, it is related to those items. You need to understand that for each item, there is a user-defined field. In the user-defined field, there is something called a report group, and if you want to pull it out, you can. You can organize it in some places where it's easier to see, and you can hide the things you don't need. Okay, so this way it's easier for you to see. So this is called a report group, and we will use this report group later. However, the report group label, parts, material, and sublet are not fixed. If you want to change them, you can. So you can go to general maintenance, and in the user-defined list, you can edit and put what you want. If you have others like lubricant also has a commission, you use its point, just put lubricant here, or change tire or something, you can directly edit yourself, just edit yourself. Then each item has the report group. Do you see here? So each item has this report group, not using item group to make this report. We are using this report group line to make item group, to make those reports. A few bonus points, incentives report, and these two places for item type. So with that, we didn't touch the item group. Then after setting up this item group, when we open an invoice or cash sales, so here, it will capture it. If this product is labeled, so it will function based on this label to show us the sales by category in that report. Okay, before that, we fill in this format, and each invoice or cash sale has this format, so you can fill it in. Fill it in here. If you want to know which salesman it is, just fill in that format. If you want to add a new one here, you need to go back to the workshop. Here in the workshop, there's this format maintenance. Doesn't necessarily have to give a commission. If you don't check it, there's no commission. Only if you check it, there will be a commission. Here you can enter any of the salesman's names, just type it directly. Okay, type the salesman's name directly, and then go back to those invoices and cash sales, and you can find that format. So after coming out of the format, we then look at the first report. The first report is called the daily performance report, which is actually a sales report grouped by this report group. And after you preview, you can see this is grouped. You see its report group. It is labeled as spare part material, sublet, and if you have lubricant, you just pull out the lubricant. So these formats can all be changed. Okay, these formats can all be modified. So it's not necessary to strictly follow this format. If you have special requirements or a special format, it will group by that format. So these can all be adjusted according to your needs. The first setting is this simple. The first report, you see there are two reports here. One is the daily performance report and the other is incentive point. So if you want to issue commission based on daily performance, you just base it on daily performance. Like this one has a total, you can issue commission based on the total of each category, or another way is you can base it on points. Okay, but if you also want to use points, you must use this sales agent format. You need to do the setting at this point. This setting, for each person, you can set a different algorithm. Intake is how many cars were done. 2 cars equal 1. Here you can set 10 cars equal 1 point. $50 equal 1 point. It is based on label charge. Okay? If it's material, then it's $5 per point. And for parts, it's $10 per point. You can set everything yourself. You can set it yourself. So according to your method, how many dollars per point? Or for each case, $50 is also possible. But these require changing the format. Once you click that, you don't need to change it. Once you click that, it's already there. You can use the existing one. Then the item type is a bit special. There are some extra points. If you want to use this item type, if not, you don't have to. You can calculate points based on type or report group. Both are fine. It depends on how you want to set it. There's no right or wrong. So it depends on how you want to set it. So look here, I made a sample. You see both are $50 per point, but this one is 3 intakes for 1 point. Okay, 3 intakes for 1 point, but this one is 2 intakes for 1 point. Also $50 per point based on the level charge. I made some samples, look at this performance report, and here, this is $50 per point. It's a label. So this is 25 points. If this becomes 32, 3,233. 2 divided by 50, here are 64 points and 64 points, 2 intake 1 point, so here add 1 more point for him. And then here it's $50 per point, here it's $400, so 8 points. So if you look at my report, okay, that incentive report here, you can base it on the team or individual. You see its points are like this: 64, 3,200 is 64, then 2 intakes for 1 point. This is the first, January 7th, so it's the points for each day. Anyway, this is another format I did for 2 days. One is the 7th, one is the 9th, month 7th, month 9th. So January 7th did not meet the target, only did 1 case, no points. So on the 9th, 3 cases, okay? So $50 per point, here it's 6 points. So the total points are 9, okay? So the whole concept is like this. You can issue commission based on points or based on the team's points, okay? You can also issue some incentives, extra incentives. That's also possible. Here there's a team 1. These can also be customized based on your requirements. Actually, 4 points for this team. Yes, it can be done. So see, there's no right or wrong. If you have an idea, we can help you design it according to your requirements. This is just a reference, just a basic reference to show you how AutoCal can design the point system. Okay, back to my notes. You see report group maintenance that was just explained, and then some format maintenance, how to update those formats, and then it calculates the points. When calculating points, it is based on how many cases are taken in or how much amount based on how much money per point. Based on different categories or item types, there is a daily performance report. Okay, it is actually, it's not really called daily performance. Actually, to be precise, it's a report. The sales report is based on that report group. Okay, you can do it by date like this. According to the month by date like this, it has a group, the total sales amount, then it has a performance, individual points, total points, and then the team's total points. These have already been explained. So, okay, if still not satisfied, we can actually create some commission plugins ourselves. Commission plugin, so according to your requirements, AutoCal originally also has a commission plugin. Actually, when we opened the sales report just now, you see there is another field here called agent, which we haven't used yet. Actually, you can use this agent for car sales agents, okay? Or use it for different teams, okay? Different teams can have different commissions, or different items can also have different commissions. You can use the original AutoCal field to format the commission, or use the method I just mentioned to format the commission as well. For supervisor, if there is a supervisor commission, we can also create some commission reports based on the supervisor's calculations, no problem. So the commission stuff is done according to your requirements. I'm just giving some small suggestions. So the whole commission setting is actually not difficult, just a few functions. Okay, so if you still have questions, I suggest you watch this video a few more times or contact me. All right, thank you everyone.